Hello everybody, today I've come up with a lunch menu, Malabar Biriyani. For that, first let's cook the chicken. I've taken quarter cup of ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric and salt as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds powder and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. Add chili powder as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Quarter teaspoon of garam masala. 4 to 5 tablespoons of chicken masala. 3 tablespoons of thick curd. Drop in the chicken to this masala, mix well and let it cook for 15 minutes or until it blows 2 whistles. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the raw mango salad. For the salad, you will need 1 raw mango, but I haven't used all of this. Green chilies, chopped onions, carrots, cucumber, and finely chopped mangoes. Add in salt, pepper. Squeeze in lemon juice and the salad will be ready. After 15 minutes, our chicken is cooked. Save this water to add in the masala we are going to prepare now. For the masala, I have taken 3 onions, 7 to 8 green chilies, 6 small tomatoes. I am not adding ginger garlic paste here because I have already added it in the chicken. Add some salt, close the lid and cook for 15 minutes until the water dries out. Now add in the chicken water to this. We need a semi-gravy type, so don't dry off all of the masala. Add in some mint leaves. And finally, the cooked chicken. Keep this aside. Now we are going to fry some cashew nuts and onions that we'll use to garnish the biryani. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry the cashews until golden brown. I have taken 2 large onions, thinly sliced. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and fry them. This will be ready in about 5 to 8 minutes. So don't move off from the stove, otherwise this will get burned up. Need 2 more things for garnishing, few coriander and lemon juice. I have taken 1 lemon here and added a little yellow color to this. This is to give a double shade to the biryani. I have already shown you a ghee rice recipe in one of my videos. I shall give the link in the description box. Let's start layering the biryani. The first layer will be of the ghee rice. Add in lemon juice, coriander leaves, cooked chicken. Spread it well so that it covers the rice. The next layer will again be of the ghee rice. In each layer of rice, sprinkle some lemon water and coriander. Repeat this by alternatively placing the chicken and the rice. I have placed 2 layers of chicken and 3 layers of rice. The bottommost layer will be of the rice and the topmost layer will be of the rice. When we add chicken to the bottommost layer, it might get burnt up. This is the final layer of the rice. Add few tablespoons of ghee. Add in the leftover lemon water, coriander leaves, fried onions and fried cashews. Close with the lid and keep the biryani on dum for 15 minutes on low flame or until the smoke comes out. Meanwhile, we shall prepare a raita for the biryani. I have taken half a liter of curd and 10 green chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add little pomegranate and some coriander seeds. I would say this is a must-try recipe for this Malabar Biryani. It goes really well with the biryani. After 15 minutes of time, our biryani is ready. Serve it hot with this raita and mango salad. Biryani is never complete without grilled chicken. I've already shown this marination in one of my videos. I shall add the link in the description box. So I'm not explaining much. I marinated about 3 hours. Preheated my oven for 200 degrees Celsius and baked each side for 20 to 25 minutes. That is all for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed these recipes. Stay healthy and stay safe. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.